Right, here we have a quality machine. It's a 1949 Matchless G3L. And Tiernans Classics.
It's a nice looking motorbike, this, Peter.
Yeah, you've done well with it.
Yeah, an old boy in Milton Keynes. Whether he did the work himself or whether he had it sort of. It's interesting enough, his name was in the logbook in 1952. It's a very good year anyhow, 52. And then he had it again, sort of, probably in the 70s. So he bought his own bike back.
Brought it back.
And had it restored, but it was fairly tapped when he first had it back, I guess. There we are, Pete. It's been a nice little ride.
Yeah. Yeah, done about 12 miles.
Yeah. The bad news is we have sold it and we actually got money on it, so we're really just doing an information video more than a sales video.
Quality.
Looks the part.
Yeah, nice.
I reckon it's one of the nicest we've ever had of these, without a doubt, you know.
Well, here we
So
go.
there's Peter, let's have its virtues in.
Right, we have a fuel tap each side. Hex is on.
So,
Hex is on.
oh, they've got filters in there, I believe.
They have now got filters on and they've been recorked.
Yeah, that's even better, isn't it? Yeah.
In front of the new owner.
Yes.
So, fuel on.
He came up to buy a Royal Enfield and ended up with a
He ended up with a
Matchless.
quality bike. Plug it up.
Yeah.
Give it a check.
So controls.
valve lifter.
Valve lifter under there, is it? Yeah. Front brake. That's a clutch. Sorry.
Yeah, front brakes this side.
Yeah, brake.
Clutch.
Yeah.
Dip switch.
Down here somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Advanced and retard, and this one is a tight advance.
Yeah.
So that's fully advanced. Choke.
Yeah.
So you can got it written on there. Look, air.
Yeah.
Air.
Bluter.
Front brake. Right. Oh,
Shooting pedal, but
it's gripping nice. It's turning off.
it's keeping up appearances, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why would
So.
Turn the pedal on, boy.
Oozing back. That's all here. That's all they do is ooze back. Sort of pulse, don't they?
Put the battery on, the lights come up. Did you say you went for 12-mile ride?
Sorry?
12 miles, isn't it?
Something like that, yeah.
Just runs so nice, isn't it? This had a bucket load of money thrown at this, without a doubt. You can see the carburetor's nice and dry now once it's running. Comes with a side stand.
Yep.
Flicky up one or flicky down one?
Flicky up one. So, all AMC singles and twins came fitted with a side stand.
That was a standard thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, unfortunately, BSAs didn't manage that, did they?
Oh, there you go.
No. Like most late trimes did, I don't say early ones did, yeah. Yeah. It's a nice motorbike, this one, isn't it?